It may not look like it now, but the Parade of Homes starts on April 28th, and this house is actually one of our premier entries in the parade. It's going to be a race to the finish like it always is this time of year, but it's kind of fun to watch it all come together. And what we want to talk about today is your tips for making the most out of the Parade of Homes. Let's start with the number one tip, and that is give yourself plenty of time. You have 3 full weekends to tour all of the homes that are entered on the Parade of Homes, and you want to take your time looking around. Feel free to come back to the same development multiple times. It's hard to take it all in at one time, and when you come back on several different visits, you may notice things that you didn't notice the first time around. Secondly, very important tip is to not just feel so closed into a certain price range. You may know what your budget is if you're looking for a home, but don't be afraid to look above it. You're going to get a lot of great decorating ideas that way. Those are 2 tips for the top 5 tips to make your Parade of Homes journey the most successful. Log on to our website, sallysellsmore.com.